Hello everyone, welcome to StarVeerShow. I'm Shivansh mother. Today I want to show you how we made number 6 and a stand for it in 3D with cardboard as his birthday decor. Take any 10-inch size cardboard and cut the sides of it. When you open it, it is seen like this. Cut this cardboard into two equal parts. You can draw a number with a character or with any design. I chose to draw it plain like this. Shivansh is very excited to make his birthday crafts. Look, you can see him here. I've drawn the 6 even on the other cardboard and cut it. I cut both the cardboards in same size and shape. You can see them here. Like this, and the between part of this 6, why to waste it? I thought I can draw Among Us character on it, as this time for Shivansh's birthday we chose Among Us theme. So I've drawn Among Us character on it. Shivansh nowadays is liking the crowns. He's more inclined towards crowns. He saw this, he was very excited after seeing this character. After cutting, it turned out to be like this. 2 6s and a Among Us character. We have saved the sides of the cardboard box. Now I cut one strip of it and cut it into equal pieces. I cut them into 20 pieces almost. You can cut them as required. I have stick the glue crisscrossly and stick the strips of cardboard pieces like this. And I have stick the glue on top of the cardboard pieces and stick the other 6 cardboard on it. Wait for 2 minutes and it will be sturdy. For more sturdiness, I have sticked the white tapes on it. Now it is ready and sturdy. Shivansh was playing along and he was so very excited after seeing 6. Cut the white paper into the same size of 6 and you can stick it on it like this. You can stick this white paper before cutting 6 so that all these cuts will not be seen. Now to cover it, I have chosen to paint on it. I chose to paint blue and red colors and it turned out to be like this. And I have drawn some with crayons white dots on it and I've stick the Among Us character and an airship of Among Us on it. Take 5 boxes of same size and wrap it with a white chart. We wrote numbers on 2 sides of the box and letters on one side of the box. And this side we have sticked Among Us characters like this. After writing, we stick the box one on one. Numbers this side and this side. Letters here. And we sticked Among Us characters like this. On top of it, with double tape, we have sticked 6. It turned out to be like this. Hope you enjoyed.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to me. Happy birthday.